Are you looking for a 3-bedroom affordable condo below 1 million and within a walking distance to MRT and shopping mall? The Nautical is a low-rise resort-style condo with a beautiful landscape. Hi, I'm Emily Lim from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 829 square feet with high ceiling on the high floor. As you walk in from the entrance, you will be instantly greeted by a spacious living area graced by the bright natural light coming through the full-length height balconies. Imagine coming home to this cozy apartment and chilling out with a glass of wine after a hard day work. The dining area is perfect for 4 to 6-seater guests. Visualize yourself hosting a nice gathering for dinner with friends and families. You can enjoy your cooking for your loved one in this fully functional enclosed kitchen. Come and feel the coziness in these 2 bedrooms. You are going to love the master room. It can fit king-size bed. Whether you are an investor or buying this apartment for stay, please do give me a call. I'm Emily Lim from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. It will be my pleasure to show you this beautiful home.
AAG, the #1 top division in OrangeTee and Thai.